Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing some of the best slasher movies available on Netflix.
Staying.
That's big. I would never hurt her.
Tell me.
Cult of Chucky. Cult of Chucky is an entertaining film in its own type, but as a fresh entry in a series that's been going for 3 decades now. It's an example of the level of creativity, something they will continue to do with the upcoming TV series. Most slasher franchises would kill for a 7th installment that's a creepy fun.
Never goes out of style.
Creep film franchise. Throughout the life of the slasher genre, many filmmakers have attempted to rip off in its various conventions in myriad ways, straying from the classic formula while still giving fans some of the tropes they love. In that way, the Creep films from Patrick Brice and Mark Duplass are not slasher films in the purest sense, but they create a sense of unending dread in their effort to portray what life might be like from the perspective of a unique serial killer who wants his victims to play a clear role in their own deaths.
What if I make a documentary? And this is
Haunts. The film follows a man who goes searching for answers after the death of his girlfriend with the help of a pair of horns growing out of his head, which seem to grant him the ability to compel people to confess their darkest deeds. As he digs deeper into the mystery, he feels himself continue to transform even as he gets closer to the real killer. Tense, wickedly witty, and full of outstanding performances, Haunts is an unconventional horror film that will stick in your brain for days.
He's going crazy.
Sinister. Ethan Hawke stars in this film as a true crime writer who moves into a house that was the scene of a gruesome family murder. Hoping to write a bestseller based on his research, as he digs deeper into the case, he discovers that the murder is more than it seems. Connected Crimes emerges through a series of horrifying film reels, and it seems a serial killer might be on the loose. Unfortunately, it's a serial killer who also happens to be an otherworldly monster.
The symbol is associated with
The Ritual. The film follows a group of friends who, after the death of one of their own, set out on a hiking trip through the Swedish countryside in his memory. One of the friends is injured along the way. The group decides to cut through the woods, and that's when they stumble upon a creepy house. After that night, strange things start to happen, and the friends find themselves hunted by something out in the trees. Hush. Director Mike Flanagan's film, co-written by and starring real-life partner Kate Siegel. Siegel plays Maddie, a deaf woman and novelist who lives alone in a secluded house in the woods. In the middle of a quiet night at home, Maddie starts getting strange messages and realizes that someone is outside, taunting her, waiting for his moment to come in. What follows is more than an hour of absolutely relentless tension as Maddie battles a masked killer who wants to end her life. Which one is your favorite among all? Do share in the comments section. Thank you so much.